Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys, how can we solve internet problem in Realme phone device. Friends, you want to solve guys your Realme phone internet problem, so how can you solve it? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how to solve internet problem in Realme phone device. Open your phone setting, then guys scroll it, and friends you can see this type of setting. Friends, click on guys this system setting, guys tap here, again scroll. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, click on backup and reset option. Friends, click on your reset phone setting, and guys click on this network reset setting. After that guys you can see this type of setting. So you will have to draw your pattern, and friends you have any password, so friends enter your password. Then guys click on this network reset setting, guys tap here, then I wait for a while, then guys your internet setting will solve in your Realme phone device. So now guys, now you can use guys your mobile internet setting without any problem. After that guys, you have any problem, so don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.